my name is Natalis Alfalizi, NPM 2478030337.
Can you sing any English song?
Yes, I can sing song. I will English song like Happy Birthday and Little Bee.
Can you swim? What styles can you do?
Yes, I can swim. I can do freestyle and backstroke.
How far can you run? Can you run 10 kilometers?
I can run about 5 kilometers.
What sports can you play?
I can play badminton.
How well can you play the sport?
I play badminton pretty well. Both and just I winner a baseball.
Anyway, how many languages can you speak? How well can you speak them?
I speak language Indonesia fluently.
Can you cook? How well can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple dishes like green things.
What kind of food and can you cook?
I can cook pasta, cook and cook traditional Indonesia dish like soto.
What ethnic foods can you cook?
I can cook some ethnic food like rendang and lampung pindang.
When you were in junior high school, how you cook?
When I was junior high school, I only cook instant noodles and baby egg.
What traditional game could you play when you were a kid? Could you play egrang, patilele, and gobak sodor?
When I was a kid, I could play Gobak store very well.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can play a guitar.
What kind of musical instrument can you play?
I can play a keyboard and little bit of mouth guitar.
Can you count 1 to 100 in English now?
Yes, I can count from 1 to 0 to I'm English without a problem.
Okay.